What is your guess on what Premiere Plus Realty paid out on commissions in 25?
Well, the answer is going to blow your mind. We were privileged to give $75 million and more to our agents in 2025. What an honor to be able to grow their businesses and support their families in this economy last year. So it was overwhelming, and we're so proud of the work that they do and the work that we get to do with them.
Make sure you talk to Premiere Plus Realty if you are thinking of moving your team or an individual over.
Really, Mary?
Welcome back to Really Mary. You know, if you're an agent in Southwest Florida, you got to tune in to this episode because it's really focused on you. Today, I have Jillian Young, the president of Premiere Plus Realty, my friend, and she is going to talk with me about, Premiere Plus and how it's the best brokerage ever. Now, I'm a little prejudiced because I'm here, but Jillian, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. It's always a pleasure to be with you. And you're so right. I mean, I am totally biased about this, but I think that we are true to our mission. We have a mission to create the most fulfilling careers in real estate. Mm-hmm. And then we are affiliated with a national brand whose mission is to increase the financial trajectory of our agents and customers' lives. And we filter every decision we make, every benefit we offer through that lens. What can we do to serve? What can we do to enhance and make their lives better through their career in real estate?
I love that. There's so much here. And I think you gave me some crazy figure of how much you paid out in compensation to agents.
Right. So internally, we measure our success by how much commission we're able to just pass through our bank, because Florida requires commissions to go through the broker.
Right.
And we give it right back to the agents. So we were able to pay well over $75 million in commissions to our real estate agents in 2025. And that number blows me away because parts of the market last year seemed really difficult.
Right.
And some of our agents were just wondering, how am I going to make it? But the truth of the matter is, with the amount of homes we have for sale in this market,
right,
and the amount of market share that we still have yet to conquer,
yes,
there is no reason why you can't have your best year ever as an agent. And by having a platform where we actually don't charge a commission split, and we allow you to pick and choose how you want to run your business, whether it's with a team where you get value stacked well above, anything that we could offer,
right,
is really the benefit, because you're free to pick and choose and run your business the way that you want to.
Right.
But we measure success based on how much we are able to give back. And that is a good year for me.
That's a phenomenal year. Now, you said something which is very interesting, and that is, if you're an individual agent and you want to join a team, of course, I have one I'd love to interview and talk to you about that. But I'm going to flip this around. If you're a team leader and you're at some other brokerage, the model doesn't work. I mean, what you offer and afford us so that we can make the agents on our team have the most money and we can make a profit, you can't get that way anywhere else in town.
Right. Well, I think broadly speaking, typically you'll have a franchise fee, you'll have a number, they just fee you to death.
Right.
And so the net, I think there's a statistic, we do better with the agent's net profit than just about any other company. So again, our national brand is United Real Estate.
Right.
On average, if you're counting just our modest transaction fees, maybe our monthly membership fee, at the end of the day, the agents net over 94% of whatever they make. You really can't get any better than that.
No.
With the amount of support that we provide. We have bells and whistles, we have platforms, but we have humans that are really good at supporting agents and training and teaching. And so what that provides is for team leaders who can have more of a boutique concierge feel, that we can support those team leaders so that they can build their business and their flavor and their value stack. Their net profits are exponentially higher on our platform as opposed to another one.
Well, and not just the team leader. So if you're a team leader, you're thinking about that. But, I look through the lens of what do our agents make. And comparing what you just discussed, a franchise fee, a fee, and leads, let's face it all, if you're going to buy leads, they're crazy expensive these days. There are agents out there that are making, 25, 30 cents on the dollar.
Yeah. Why?
And right? Why?
Why?
So, and for really no services.
Yeah.
So, the 1-2 punch with a third power oomph from United Real Estate, I think from a standpoint of an agent that wants to join a team, fantastic. But if you're a team leader and you want to join a brokerage, you got to check this out. I mean, we would not, the next step for us would have been to start a brokerage. And crazy enough as that may seem, Mary, why wouldn't you want to do that? I don't want all the headache of it. I like just bringing
headaches.
I just love bringing my headaches over to Jillian and broker Nick, and they can figure out those headaches, right? And I don't have to. So, again, whether you're thinking about as a single agent moving, and this may not be your time because it's high season. We'll make sure we do this again several other times through the year. Single agent coming into, either a team or the brokerage, or a team coming to the brokerage, you got to interview and talk to Premiere Plus Realty.
Yeah, it's a math problem, right? A lot of our agents have a math problem. And on top of that, I'd love to say that every single agent at Premiere Plus Realty has access to Ramsey's Smart Dollar, so they can learn how to budget. And I think when you start figuring out how to run your business financially, when you do the math, it just makes sense to work with us. So
you said it here.
Yeah.
The math may not be your gift, but she's going to teach you how. Until next time, I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premiere Plus Realty.
Thank you. And I'm Jillian Young. Thanks for having me.
My pleasure.